How to trade stocks on Charles Schwab app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply download a Charles Schwab application in your mobile device. Once you have downloaded it, simply go ahead and open the application and log in into your broker's account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply find and tap on the trade option right over here, which may be located in the main menu or dedicated trading section. Once you have tapped onto it, you want to go ahead and simply select all-in-one ticket trade or similar option designed for intuitive trading. So once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply type in the stock symbol. After that, select whether you would like to buy or sell shares. And after you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply enter the number of the shares you would like to trade. And after that, you want to go ahead and simply select your order type. The market order executes immediately at the best available prices, whereas limit order sets a maximum price you're willing to pay or minimum price you're willing to sell for. Also, Schwab offers various other orders types for more advanced trading strategies. And after you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply select the duration for orders. And after that, you want to go ahead and simply review your orders. Carefully check all details of your orders, symbol, quantity, price, or order type. And then if everything is correct, confirm your order and then simply tap on place order. After placing the order, you can typically view its status in the app. And that is how to trade stocks on Charles Schwab mobile app. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.